Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our unboxing for January 2019's Ipsy bag. This is the regular bag. I do have the Glam Bag Plus that I'm literally actually about to sit and unbox against January's Boxycharm. So if you'd like to see that, I will list it in the box below. But this is just about the regular Ipsy. So we have the bag here, and there's two products that came outside of it. One is a eye brush, and one is by Illamasqua, and this is the coloring pencil in Honor. Let me guess, it's black. No, it's like a very deep coffee brown. I've liked Illamasqua in the past, so I'll definitely give that a shot. This will go into my to use pile. The next is a makeup brush that is in like a plastic fork package. And I'm sorry if the lighting's weird. I'm literally in the middle of being attacked by the sun. And you know what? I love these shaped brushes. Kind of flat and then thin when you turn them. Ooh, it's very soft. That will go into my brush bin to make sure that I use it. Oh, and you know what? This actually has a whole thing about what's in here, which I'm not actually going to look at, but that's exciting. That never comes with it. Okay, so this is the Hemp's Lips Ultra Moisturizing Lip Balm. Did I say that right? I actually already have this, so I won't open this, but this is a very nice lip balm. All right, the next is by Seraphine Cosmetics. This is the Crystal and Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles in the shade, it doesn't say. Smoky Quartz is what it is. All right, and it's a loose pigment. I think loose pigments are gorgeous, but I never reach for these things. It's a pretty, like, rose gold. It's fine. I'll probably pass it on, though, because I will most likely never use this. All right, and the last thing is the Velvet Lipstick by Ola Neon in the shade DF. Ooh, I think I've gotten this before. I recognize this packaging. And it's like a deep mauve shade. Ugh, that's beautiful. I will definitely try that. Kind of goes with my lipstick I have, or my face I have on right now. This was actually not a bag. This was not a bad Ipsy. I'm in a pleasant mood this time because I actually have my plus. So yeah, that was it. Stay tuned for more unboxings. What did you get in your Ipsy this month? Let me know in the box below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.